Hi guys, I'm going to be doing my current makeup routine. I start off with my eyebrows. I am using Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't know how people can go out while they're sick. Like they go to the gym, they go to the store. Okay, my eyebrows are decent. I'm fine with them. I like how they look. I love NARS because it has a dewy finish. And it just like it leaves a really good like moisturized look. I've actually used a lot, and this one specifically looks really good with my skin tone. It's the exact match. I actually got the match from Ulta. Like they helped me, so that's what I would do if you want a foundation match. I wouldn't try to do it yourself because I feel like in the past I would always wear foundations a lot like 2 shades darker, so it'd look all brown, and I don't do that. Okay, next I'm gonna be going in with my blush. I'm gonna be thinking about using 2 blushes. I'm gonna go in with this palette. Got it from my mama. Shouldn't even know I have it. I'm gonna go in with this light shade. I'm gonna go in with this light shade, and then I'm gonna blend it out after. Like right now, like I'm not even gonna use so much contour because I'm not going anywhere. I just don't want to, I'm getting out of the funk. To the other side. It looks pretty. Honestly, it looks pretty. I like how it looks. Okay.